This video will go over the components and installation of Task Lighting's neon sidebend lighting. Neon sidebend is just 4mm wide but carries continuous illumination and the ability to bend and create a curved run of accent lighting. It is especially low profile when recessed. Neon sidebend is available in soft white 3000 Kelvin and cool white 4000 Kelvin. Neon sidebend is connected via the factory installed wire lead on either end of each roll. This means each roll can create 2 runs, and any excess can be trimmed off at the cut lines and discarded. An end cap is available to cap off the cut ends of each run as desired. There are 3 roll sizes, 3 feet, 10 feet, and 16 feet, to help you dial in on the proper length needed. We recommend using the wire-to-wire connector for joining the lead wire to the power input wire, being sure to maintain polarity. Red or positive input to the red lead wire and black or negative input to the black lead wire. You can daisy chain to a second run using the same connector. Neon sidebend can be mounted in one of 2 ways. The first and most common way will be via a recess channel. Route a 3/16 inch wide and 3/8 inch deep groove, and the neon sidebend will fit snugly into it. The wire lead can be fed out of a wire channel for a clean finish. If desired, the clear loop mounting clip can be installed over the top of the neon sidebend after the installation as a secondary fastener. The second way is a surface mount installation via mounting clips. The clips mount in place with 2 screws, and the neon sidebend slides into the slips. This mounting clip allows for installation by way of bottom or side mount application, resulting in more versatile installation options.